Can you tell me what do you understand by the term notice? What is a notice? Yes, what is the notice?
Important information which is provided.
Important announcement.
What else? What else? Notice is given for personal or notice given for general? Can there be personal notices?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Ma'am, if you have to give somebody notice that you have to vacate the empty the house, that is also a notice sent to a single person.
Ma'am, when a college sent to our attendance report, then it is a personal notice.
Mhm. What else? What else? Nobody is saying anything. You all must have seen a notice, read a notice, what it is all about.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, what is your version of what is the notice? Please tell me if you have read a notice in a school or college or whatever, what it is all about.
Yes, ma'am. I've read a notice about holidays. We all basically read that.
Notice is also about for exam schedules, upcoming exams.
Change of any
Date,
dates.
time.
Yeah. How will you write a notice? कैसे लिखोगे? How will you write a notice?
Square box.
Will you write dear students, dear sir? Yeah, notice?
No, ma'am.
Hmm? How will you write? What will be the format? Have you ever written a notice?
Yes, ma'am.
लिखा है notice कभी?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you ever received a notice through email or handwritten or through the peon? पढ़ा है कभी? Have you ever received a notice from the bank?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so more or less you know what is a notice. Some people are answering, some people are not. So anyways, let us take a look. Some notice writing exercises and topics. So first, let us decide and define what is a notice. A notice is written or printed information that can be in a form of an official statement of public importance or a warning in advance. It can be either a vital information or it can be a warning. Suyash, can you tell me how it can be a warning?
Ma'am, sometimes some persons who take a loan from the bank, they have given.
They are given a deadline.
Yes, ma'am. They are given a deadline.
Notice that if you do not pay the loan, then action will be
Your
taken
property.
against you. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Your
Property can be.
seized, ma'am.
Yeah.
And another example is reappearing of examination. It's a warning notice.
Yes, if you will not give your exam, then you're going to lose.
Then you will get 0 in your examination and get absent.
So a notice is a written printed information. It is a written printed information that can be in the form of an official statement or of public importance or a warning in advance. Since a notice is primarily meant to inform a large number of people. बहुत सारे लोगों को एक साथ एक नोटिस में इन्फॉर्म कर दिया जाता है. For example, there can be your notice board. There can be it can be anything. Notice for exam, notice for vacation, notice for any event which is going to happen. So there can be a number of reasons wherein a notice is put up on the board, or they can be, similarly, there are a lot of reasons how a notice is served to a person. So it must be clear and brief. So when you write a notice, your notice, it should be clear and it should be brief. You cannot write long notices. A notice is written within the organization, whereas the other type of notice is which we receive from outside. We can send to people. We can receive notices from other people, other organizations, like the bank or any client or just anybody. So it is a very important form of written communication used by individuals and organizations to convey information about functions, events, and occasions. So this was the definition. What do you understand by the term notice? The second question is, What is the main purpose of writing a notice? What is the objective? Why do we write notices? What is the purpose of writing notices? Number one is to provide information regarding any important event. Any important event that is about to happen, that is about to take place in the near future. नोटिस कब लिखते हैं हम लोग? जब कुछ इवेंट होने वाला होता है, कुछ अनाउंसमेंट होती है, कुछ वेकेशंस की होती है. Then we'll write something which is going to happen in the near future. Second is publicly display information either in the newspaper or on specific display board for others to know and follow. Like in the schools and colleges, there is a display board wherein notices are put up. Notices announces births or deaths. For example, you have to inform when somebody is born, and you have to inform when somebody dies. Announces occasions like inaugurations of or sales or just anything. Or make appeals to extend invitations. Or when you are appealing to people, when you're sending out invitations, even then you send out notices. Third question is, what are the types of notices? So different types of notices are given below. Notice for meeting. When you plan a meeting, you put up a notice. Notice for events like competitions, celebrations, annual sports, events, cultural festivals, winter carnivals, etc. Notice for lost or found. Have you ever seen this notice in the newspaper? क्या लिखा होता है उसमें? Supposing you have lost your bag, and you will have to put it up in the newspaper. क्या लिखोगे? What will you write? Anybody? Have you read any notice about somebody losing a bag or something? Or losing a document on the train or whatever? कभी पढ़ा है क्या? Have you ever seen the column lost and found in a newspaper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
उसमें क्या लिखा होता है? The total description of what was the color of the bag, where did you leave it, what was inside the bag, और क्या लिखा होता है? The person who finds it will be awarded. लिखा होता है ना? और contact information. This is the lost and found. Notice for tours, fairs, exhibitions, campaigns, seminars, workshop, debates, group talk, etc. Like Suyash, when you're holding a Friday activity club, what you can do, you can create your own notice board in the class. No? You can put
Ma'am,
up
the idea is great, ma'am, but the people, the students of our class, everybody knows how they behave.
नहीं, because a lot of students will come up and say, "अब मुझे नहीं पता था." And of course,
Yes, ma'am.
this also
As
will
usual.
be, this also will be an eye opener for other batches also. Like after your class, the other students may come and they might see what is going on, so they might be inspired.
Ma'am,
Earlier there was a chart for if you speak Hindi, if you speak a word of Hindi, you will be fined. And that was also put up in the chart in the classroom. The names and the names of the roll number of each student. And there were columns like one Hindi word, you have to pay fines. Weren't you writing how much somebody paid or somebody, how much Hindi was spoken in the class? All this was done in the Boeing branch. You all did not do it. Students.
ma'am, in this building also we have done, ma'am. In class 1A, there's still a chart, ma'am.
No, I don't see any chart over here.
Ma'am, in class A, ma'am.
Okay. So why don't you make a nice notice board for your class? Make it on a cardboard, hang it like it was in school. And you can put up a lot of things, any display. If you have made a picture, if you have written down any code, it can be in the notice board. So think about it. Create a notice board in the class. Yeah. So notice for change of name, residence, company, bank account, and timing. Also, this is done in the. You see such notices in the newspaper. Like the change of name. ये पढ़ा है क्या? Have you read the change of name in newspaper?
Yes, ma'am.
So yes, I पढ़ा. And now my name will be changed from Suyash Jaiswal to Suyash Agarwal. You change your name from Jaiswal to Agarwal, right? I'm joking. So ऐसे भी लोग हैं नाम बदलते हैं अपना और it is hereby informed to general public that I dash will be known as dash dash dash. Now, the technical know-how of a notice. What will you points to keep in mind when you are making a notice? Somebody read this and paraphrase. Anybody read and paraphrase this? Points to keep in mind when you are making a notice. Read somebody loudly.
Okay, ma'am. Write the name of the organization, institute, office issuing the notice. It means what is the name of the organization is write on the notice board and or institutes or office. Second, the word notice is always written under the name of organization.
For example, if you're writing it for Semaj College, then first you will write Semaj College. No, you will write BCom batch, second semester batch 1.
BCom second semester.
Because we already know this is Semaj College. Right. You will write your batch name and then you will write notice board. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Third, date of issuing notice is written on the left hand side. On the date on which notice is issuing, that date is written, it should be written on the left hand side. Fourth, heading subject should be eye-catching, brief and precise. It means what is the heading of the notice? It may be attractive and it is brief, not very long. It's a short and precise. Fifth, the content must include complete information. What is the content of the notice? What is the heading of the notice? It is complete, not incomplete. It must include the 7 W's of writing: who, what, where, why, when, in what way, and for whom. 6. The purpose of the notice should be very clear. what is the purpose of the notice? What is the main, why is the notice written? It is the main purpose of the notice, and it should be a clear, concise. 7, the name and designation of the issuing authority should be mentioned. It means the, what is the name of the designation, means the post on which the officer or employee is working, is issuing on the note, and what is the authority of his is mentioned on the notice board, on the notice. Next, the language used must be lucid and must be written in the third person. That is, pronouns like I, you, me, mine, your, our, etc. should not be used. Next, choice of tense will depend on the nature of notice. It means the notice which will be written in which, in the tense, it will be
The tense will be the future, no?
yes, ma'am. Because notice is for upcoming days and upcoming events, so it will be in a future tense.
Mhm.
Announcing an event, future time reference will be used more than any other tense forms. Lastly, the notice should be presented within a box. And when we write a notice, on this notice is right on the page, and it will be outlined by using a square and other.
All right. Somebody please show the format of a sample of a notice. Anybody? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read. So
Notice.
this is the
Okay, ma'am.
question. You are Avinash, Cultural Secretary of Queen Mary Convent, Lucknow, forget it, of Simaj College. Let me read this.
Notice writing format. You are Avinash, Cultural Secretary of.
Write your the name of your college.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
want suitable students to represent your school in inter-school English debate to be held shortly, providing the necessary details, write a notice inviting participants. So here the name of the school has been given. You will write the name of your college and then you will write notice. See the heading, the name of the organization, and then notice. The word notice should be mentioned there and it should be within a box. And then the date line is there on the left side, 8th August, whatever.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
notice. So, and then the heading of the subject, like inter-English school debate. Please, isko padho, read the. Read.
Notice 8 August 2021. Inter-school English debate. Student of classes 9 to 12 are hereby informed about in inter-school
You will
English
write,
debate
you write students
of Simaj
college.
Simaj College are hereby informed about an
Inter-college school English.
inter-college English debate to be hosted by the Simaj College on 16 August 2021 in the college authority at 9 a.m. The topic of the debate is homework should not be given at primary level. The college winning the debates will be presented in the in the inter-school SILD, and the 3 best debaters will be awarded prizes. Interested students from each class should submit their names to the HOD English by Simej College 2021. Avinash Sharma, BCom second sem, Culture Secretary.
Did you understand? Now, this was the format and this was the language, how it is done. Did you understand? If you have not understood, please write this notice. And write this, you are a student of BCom. And do not write, I'm Avinash Kumar, whatever your name is. Write this notice. If you write on one notice, you will be able to write down any notice. So first you have to know the technical know-how, how the format, how it is done. First write and then make a box. Start from the center of the, so instead of writing Queen Mary Convent, Lucknow, you write on BCom, second sem, Savage College. The similar notice you can write about the Friday Activity Club. Like those who want to participate, please act accordingly. So you have seen it, the notice should not be very long. It should be concise and precise, and the words which will be, language should be very simple. So that everybody understands it. Finished? Done, everybody? Well understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now type of notice, notice for meeting. The key points, detail, value, 4 points. The points given below are required while writing a notice for a meeting. Who has called the meeting? Agenda proposed of the meeting, date, time, venue of the meeting, who is to attend the meeting, number of the persons, department included, special instruction for the person called for the meeting, signatory with the name and designation. In case of further details, contact person with designation. Question 1. Write a notice for a meeting of security employees with the director of the agency to discuss security hazards and arrive at a specific resolution. Give the agenda of the meeting in the notice. Answer. Now, please read this. I will send you the PDF, but first in front of me, you read this. Somebody else read this? This meeting.
Tiger Security Providers Gurgaon.
Hazards. Something is a notice
Okay.
for the meeting of security employees with the director of their agency to discuss security problem concerns and arrive at a specific resolution. So give the agenda of the meeting in the notice. How will you write this? Read, Suyash.
Tiger Security Providers Gurgaon notice. 19 February 2021, meeting of security employees. All the security guards and supervisors appointed by the Tiger Security Providers Gurgaon are required to attend a meeting to be held in the director's office at 9 a.m. on Friday, 23rd February 2021. The agenda of the meeting is first, minutes of last meeting for discussion and approval, security hazards, suggestions for better safety, how to overcome complications. For further details, please contact the undersigned Rajendra Pal, Secretary.
So the agenda has to be given with this notice. For further, question number 2. Please read this.
Question 2. You are Rohan or Roma, the students representative of the School Development Committee. Next week, the committee is meeting to prepare a calendar of activities for academic year 2021 to 2023. Write a notice to be put up on your school notice board, inviting students' suggestions on the subject. Sun City World School, Gurgaon, notice. 21st January 2021, Annual Development Committee meeting. Suggestions invited. All the students are hereby informed that the School Development Committee is going to meet on 31st January 2021 to prepare a calendar of activities for the coming session. All those students who have other creative suggestions can meet the undersigned and discuss their ideas. The undersigned will be
What do you mean by the term undersigned?
ma'am, the name given below, ma'am.
Yes.
The person who is giving the notice.
Hmm.
The undersigned will meet such students on 25th January 2021 in the student activity hall in the 0 period. Constructive ideas will be welcomed. For further details, contact the undersigned Rohan, students representative.
Do you see कैसे लिखा जा रहा है? Example, somebody please read this.
First,
Yeah.
on the occasion of National Science and Technology Day. The school has decided to organize a science fair. Kulwant, the secretary of the Science Society, wants to call a meeting of the office bearers of the society to discuss the arrangements for the fair. Write a suitable notice.
Hmm.
Second, you are Abhik, the head boy of Kanya International School, Bareilly. Draft a notice for the school notice board informing the students' council members about a meeting with the principal and discipline committee of the school. Provide the necessary details.
Hmm.
Third, your school is celebrating its silver jubilee. As the head boy, head girl of your school, you are organizing a meeting of the students' council to discuss how to celebrate it. Write a notice informing the students about this meeting, giving necessary details and the meeting's agenda.
You see, these are some questions. So this was the notice on some meeting.
Meeting.
And type 2, notice for event. The categories are quite broad. So now the notice is for some event. What will you keep in mind?
The time and location of the event,
Hmm.
who is organizing the event,
Read. Read.
details value points. The points given below are required while writing a notice for event. Who is organizing the event? Objective, purpose, occasion. Third, date, time, duration, venue of the event. Fourth, who can participate? Essential qualification, eligibility, conditions. Fifth, last date for registering names, depositing the amount, etc. Sixth, special instruction, etc.
And contact the person with designation. Read this poster making competition. These things you can write about in the class. There's so many events that are you getting ideas, class?
Yes, ma'am.
को मिल रहा है ना क्लास में क्या क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग कर सकते
Yes,
हैं
ma'am.
we can do it this poster making competition you can do it yes somebody please read this
BTS Public School Delhi notice.
तो आप यहाँ अपना नाम बोली ना
Siemens College.
yes names
Siemens
और हटाई
College,
देते हैं
Patna. Notice. First November 2021. Poster making competition. All the students from Siemens College are hereby informed that the college is organizing the 10th All India Poster Making Competition on 18th November 2021 in the college ground from 9 a.m. to
9 a.m. to
I'm disconnected.
9 a.m. to 12 noon. It's a golden opportunity for budding artists to show their talent. Junior category, first sem, second sem, third sem.
Junior category, first sem, second sem.
Hmm.
Topic, child labor. Senior category, fifth sem, fourth sem, second sem, third sem.
Hmm.
Topic, national integration.
Hmm.
Interested student can register themselves with the undersigned latest by 10th November 2021. For further details, contact the undersigned.
Hmm.
Others, Secretary Arts Club.
I want to see some notices on your board. किसको notice लिखना है? Painting competition, this competition, that communication, debate, series. can you can write your notices. And if it will be good, it will be placed on the notice board. And everybody, you can come up with ideas actually. Who is thinking of ideas for Patliputra branch? Getting ideas?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you're the secretary of the music club of your school. Music club तो बिल्कुल अभी ठप पड़ा हुआ है. चलो पढ़ो इसको. Somebody read. What are the other girls and boys doing? Only some people are reading. Yeah, question number 2. Secretary Art Club. Come on.
Yes, ma'am. Secretary Art Club.
हाँ.
Question number 2.
तुम्हारे में आ गया. चलो इसको. Music club तुम आओ. चलो.
You are the secretary of the music club of your school, and
Your
your school
college.
is organizing college. Yes, ma'am.
College, Sanjali.
College.
Your college is organizing.
Your college is organizing its 5th inter-college music carnival for the students of BCom second semester. Write a notice inviting those interested to appear for an audition in the presence of renowned singer Rahmat Ali Khan.
Okay.
Provide the other necessary details.
Renowned singers like people in your college.
Renowned singer like Sanjali Shreya. The other necessary details answer.
My God, तुम अपने आप पर नाम लिखोगे. Audition कौन देखता है?
खुशी
All the teachers.
खुशी ने किया था वो भी.
All the teachers will be looking the whatever. चलो.
मैम इसके नेक्स्ट का भी पढ़ना है क्या?
हाँ.
सीमेज कॉलेज पाटलिपुत्रा पटना. Notice 6 November 2021.
This is the answer. This is the type of notice you will be writing. So these are the solved answers. To help you understand this, I had to compile this. नहीं पढ़ोगे तो नहीं समझ में नहीं आएगा कैसे लिखना पड़ेगा. Now you understand how to write. Yes, Sanjali, please read this.
Yes, ma'am. This is to inform that the college is hosting its 5th inter-college music carnival for BCom second semester on 10th December 2021 at 9 a.m. in the Simej College, Patliputra branch. All interested students may appear for the audition to be conducted in the presence of Khushi Kumari, the well-known singer, on 15th November 2021 at 10 a.m. in the college auditorium.
यहाँ पर
For
क्या
further details,
कौन देखते हैं? टीचर्स देखते हैं. आपका कोई भी इवेंट होगा. For example, you are writing out a notice for Saraswati Puja cultural event. You want all the people who are for the dance competition or for the music or for anything. But we will always include like it will be. When it
for
will
further details, contact the undersigned Sanjana ma'am, Secretary Music Club.
I'm
notice.
secretary. I'm not a secretary. I will be there at the audition. Like,
That's the assumption, ma'am,
yeah.
not the prediction.
So you see how these notices are written. Nothing is, I mean, when you read it, you understand. Somebody else read? There is going to be an inter-class debate. ये आप लिखो, ये करो आप फ्राइडे को, ठीक है? ये बनाओ फ्राइडे के लिए बनाओ, एवरीबॉडी बनाओ. make a notice for Friday, this Friday, coming Friday. There's going to be,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah,
For English Communicative Club
yeah.
holding in Semester College, become second sem.
Hmm.
Ma'am, we should have to write now.
Should we have to? Yes, you write on, practically you write a notice for coming Friday.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
The third type is notice for lost and found. So we'll do this notice for lost and found in the next class. Did you understand today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine then. Let me save this for you. And then I know you will want me to share this with you in a WhatsApp group. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We want.
Okay, I already shared this. Once I'm done with it, I'll send it to you.